Hello friends, you are very much welcome on my Future Founder channel. I have created this channel for all my friends who want to know about Onpassive. I will try to give you some important information about Onpassive. Friends, like, share, subscribe the channel if you like the video on my channel. We are in it to win it. How to join Onpassive. With a wide range of business automation services, Onpassive help businesses to grow from simple beginnings to game-changing success. Here's how to join the force of one of the best marketing platform, Onpassive. Here are a few things to know before joining Onpassive. Sign up via Gofounders. You can sign up to be a founder member of Onpassive via Gofounder, and the program automatically places you to an admin. If you have your inviter, you can use the link provided by them and register to be a member of Gofounders. Build according to the date of joining the system, and the number personally sponsored paid founders. There are two ways of joining Onpassive. One is through direct sign-up as explained above, and the other is through invitation. Direct sign-up. You can directly register on the Onpassive website and get an invitation link from one of the sponsors. Visit Onpassive, click on Become a Founder now. You will be redirected to registration page. Sign up via invitation. You can have someone invite you to join. If you have a sponsor and have shared the invitation link with you, make sure that their name is mentioned above the page. Ask your sponsor to resend the link if their name isn't on the page.
The Onpassive currently has 50+ products related to artificial intelligence agency technology. 1 chat. 2 million Rares Club, 3 video marketing, 4 mass bulk mailing, 5 payment transfer, 6 Onpassive webinar, 7 viral sharing, 8 triple entry bonus, 9 advertising, 10 community, 11 marketplace, 12 screen capture, 13 video chat, 14 digital marketing, 15 SEO, 16 website builder, 17 live event, 18 private inbox, 19 SMS and MMS, 20 VPN, 21 video conference, 22 flexible wallet, 23 email marketing, 24 liquid hosting, 25 domain name, 26 global leader, 27 bonuses, 28 print shop, 29 trim URL, 30 AI geo, 31 testimonials, 32 O staff, 33 multi-business, 34 IP tracker, 35 video email, 36 contact manager, 37 daily funnel, 38 O mail autoresponder, 39 support for all, 40 affiliate marketing, 41 IA intelligence or AI, 42 mega coulombs mass marketing campaigns, 43 office abroad 1000, 44 give back, 45 crowdfunding, 46 merchants cards, 47 legal compliance, 48 calendar scheduler, 49 guaranteed targeted visitors, 50 residual income for lifetime, 51 own website, 52 website domain hosting, 53 O Connect. Hello, good morning, good evening. We are the Onpassive family here. Onpassive's payment plans. Onpassive proposes 2 plans to avail financial freedom. The cost of joining is $97 recommended plan. This comes with the initial founders fee. With this fee, you are expected to be placed at 1% top of others. As said earlier, the system is fully automated, and you will be placed in the position that is available with the first founder member positions before everybody joins after a successful launch of Onpassive. Joining Onpassive brings several business opportunities for people who are hungry for success. Digital marketing is the way to get what is right for your business. With the help of artificial intelligence, Onpassive is ready to build a smarter platform for people to market their business online. Please subscribe, like and share this video with the ones you love. Digital Future Founder, thanks for watching our videos.